Okay, ratio. Divide, say, 48 between A and B in the ratio, let's say 3 to 5. Okay, so I would write, so it's A to B as 3 is to 5. So I now write A is to B is to total as 3 is to 5 is to 8, because 3 add 5 comes to 8. Now, in our case, the actual total is 48, so I write 48 underneath here. To get from there to there, we multiply by 6. So 6 times that gives 30 for this person, and 6 times that gives 80 for that person. So A gets 18, B gets 30, and if we add them together we get the 48. Okay, let's divide, say, 96 between A, B and C in the ratio 1 to 2 to, say, 6. So I would go A to B to C to total is equal to 1 to 2 to 6, and the total actually works out to be 9. Now the actual total is 96. That's a pity. Not a very convenient number. How do we get from there to there? Well, so that's 96 divided by 9. Okay, so in each of this case here, we're going to have 1 here. We can multiply by 96 and divide by 9. So to get from there to there, we could divide by 9 and then multiply by 96, and we might have to use a calculator. So A is going to get 1. We're going to divide that by 9 and multiply it by 96. B is going to get 2 divided by 9 times 96, and C is going to get 6 divided by 9 times 96. So this is 96 over 9. In fact, 3 will cancel. 3 into 9 goes 3. 3 into there goes 2. 3 into there goes 3, so it's not too difficult. 3 into 3 goes 1. 3 into 2 won't go, and 2/3. Now, in fact, this one is going to be twice what that one is. So this is going to be 20 and 4/3, which is double 10 and 2/3. But of course we wouldn't write the answer like that, because that will be 21 and 1/3. And the last one is in fact 6 times as much as this. So 6 times 10 would make 60, plus 6 times 2/3. So it's 6 times 2/3. So that makes 60. The 3 will cancel and 6, which makes 2. 2 2s are 4. So that's 4. So it's 64. So the answer is 10 and 2/3, 21 and 1/3, and 64. Now, does that add up correctly? 2/3 add 2/3 make 1 whole one. 4 add 1 is 5, add 1 is 6. 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, so the answer must be correct. Let's do another one. Suppose we've got some money divided between A, B, C in the ratio 1 to 3 to 4, and let's suppose that B gets £21. So we've now got 21 in this location. So to get from 3 to 21, we multiply by 7. So we do that times by 7. 4 sevens are 28, so 28 goes there, times by 7 gives 7. So A's share, if we're talking about money, will be £7. B's share is what we were told, which is £21, and C's share is £28. I'll just do one more. 144 is divided between 3 people. We'll call them A, B and C in the ratio 1 to 5 to 3. How much does each person get? Okay, so A to B to C, I'll put total in immediately. To total is 1 to 5 to 3. 5 add 1 is 6, so that's 9. So that's 9. The actual total is 144. How do we get from 9 to 144? Well, one way is to divide by 9 and multiply by 144. Or we can multiply by 144 and divide it by 9. Now, in fact, 1 add 4 comes to 9, so I know 9 will cancel. 9 into 14 goes 1, with 5 left over. 9 into 54 goes 6. So in fact, we need to multiply by 16. So 1 times 16 is 16. 5 16s. 5 16s. If I halve the 16 and double the 5, that gives me 80. And 3 times 16. 3 times 16 is going to be 48. I know the answer, which is 48. This round here is in a sense rough working. Try and put that on one side if possible.